Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to ban anyone who swears. So in order to ban someone in Roblox for swearing, firstly you need to identify that person who is swearing at you. So suppose in this game, if someone is swearing at me like this one, in order to get him banned, all I need to do is go to the Roblox icon on the top left hand side, then go to the report section. After that we will choose experience or person, we'll choose person, and the type of abuse will be text chat. Then you need to select the person's name. After that, in the reason for abuse, you'll choose swearing. Then you can describe what this person has done to you to disrupt the code of conducts for Roblox. So I'll just type, this person sweared at me for no reason. After you have inputted the reason, just click on submit, and then Roblox team will help you get this person banned from Roblox. So that's how you can ban anyone for swearing in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.